Hello and welcome back to our Maileroo video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect your Maileroo DNS records to your CloudFlare DNS records. So starting with this, what you'd want to do is, once you've added in your domain via this menu here, adding in and then just clicking Add Domain, it will pop up with all your DNS records that you've got to add into your provider. So we're going to start off by clicking Add Record. We're going to go to TXT and we're going to put in our SPF record for this one and we're going to click Save. And we're going to do almost the same thing with the DKIM. We're going to go here, find TXT again. We're going to add in this value. Then we're going to go back and we're going to copy the host name. We're going to add this in and we're just going to remove this part here. And then we're going to hit Save. And we repeat this process with the other records. So we're going to do the MX records now. I'm going to find MX, going to add this in, and we're going to set the priority to 10 for this one. We're going to put @ for the root. And just as a little side note, so you don't need Maileroo's MX records if you've already got a mail provider. So you can skip this portion. However, we're just showing you this for the sake of it. So now we're going to add in the second MX record. This time, repeat the process, but we're going to add it with a priority of 20. And we're just going to hit Save. And now we're going to do the DMARC. So we're going to do a TXT record for this one. Going to add it in here. Grab the host name. And now we're going to do the click tracking. So for this one, what we're going to do is I'm going to add in the values here, and we've actually got to make this a CNAME. So we're going to do that, and we're going to check the priority status here. We're going to make sure that we untick this one and set that one up. And now we can go in and start verifying our details here. Just having a look, and we can verify the DNS, and we should see everything pop up green. And if it doesn't, what you'd like to do is you just need to give it a moment and just reset your or refresh your screen, or go in and go out, or just wait a little moment, and you should see these records update momentarily. And there you go. Just like that, we have our records verified.